So how many boring PowerPoint presentations have you had to sit through lately? Well, now PowerPoint presentations can be an interactive experience thanks to a program called Turning Point. And Tony DeAscentis with Turning Technologies is here to tell us about it. Thanks for joining us, Tony.
Thank you.
So, first of all, I want to know, what is the audience response industry? I'd never heard of it before yesterday.
Well, you know, it's interesting because the audience response industry has been around for probably 15, 20 years. But it's been a very antiquated process of a speaker asking a question and letting the audience actually pick up some type of a device and respond back. I mean, we all see it on TV today through very popular shows to let you vote. The audience participates. So that's basically fundamentally it.
Okay, I want to read a quote from some of your marketing materials.
Sure.
You claim you can turn any event into an enjoyable and educational interactive experience. That is a mighty big claim. So tell me how this works.
It is absolutely a big claim, but if you get to know the technology, and like any other technology, if you take some time to learn how to apply it, you are on the money. The interesting thing about today's cultural societies around the globe is that they're really transforming into a society of people that need to be connected. Text messaging, emailing, web. You go to the web, you give information, you want information immediately back. You go into a keynote address with 3,000 people or a lecture hall at any university with 300 kids. I sit down, I want to participate. So with our technology, very simple process of integrating into Microsoft Office, take any presentation, create an interactive, energizing experience for the people in the audience.
And so you're talking about everything from shareholder meetings to classrooms. How many people did you say you could have sort of as a maximum?
Absolutely. Shareholder meetings to classrooms. So we do events. We did a large event for Meeting Planners International up in Montreal, Canada last year, where they had something around 4,500 to 6,000 participants. And when they checked in at their convention, they each got one of these with their welcome packet. They took it to the keynote address, which was 5,000 people, to their breakout session, which was 30 people. And every session we collected data from those in the audience. Transfer that to the higher education market. You go to your live lecture chemistry class, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, it's 1,000 kids, 600 kids. Everybody in the audience has one of these. On the off days, they go to their grad assistant class and there's 15 people in there, they take it with them there. Transfers right into the K-12 market as well.
And it sounds like, if you're talking thousands of people that can participate with this, it sounds like a bulky system to set up. What are the components of all this?
You know, and that's really one of the biggest areas of transformation, along with usability and price, but portability had to be a key component of the product's design when we launched it 6 years ago. Basically, all you have are these little credit card size response cards, very durable items. You can drop them, you can kick them, they're going to last. You can go to our website and watch the durability video, which is kind of fun. But I basically can carry these around, and 300 of them are a legal check-on to any plane, so I don't even have to pay for shipping charges. Throw them in my luggage, take them with me. The other device I need is this little USB receiver that plugs right into my laptop. This device is what's going to receive all of the thousands of the responses, gather them, and shove them into my Microsoft PowerPoint presentation for me.
Okay, great.
So basically, the size of your audience dictates how many you have to carry, and one little receiver.
All right, and you've got it set up here to show us how it works?
Yes, I do, as a matter of fact. So basically what I'm doing is running right off my laptop here a PowerPoint presentation, and this is my welcome slide. You know, welcome to Turning Technologies. We're going to show you a few things. All I have to do is use basic PowerPoint skills to animate through the slides by clicking my mouse, and I move to the first interactive question. So what you can see here is a question that's going to let me submit some votes, and we've got people submitting results in our audience.
I see.
You can see the counter in the bottom right-hand corner is counting down. When the counter closes, polling closes, and the results can be immediately displayed for viewing. So basically, I'm sorry, there we go. I accidentally clicked forward. So in this particular question here, what I'm asking is the presenter's style or method and pace helping you to learn the material at hand?
And this is all happening real time. As somebody's giving the presentation, they're getting this feedback immediately and can tailor their presentation one way or the other.
Right, because it's basically just a PowerPoint presentation. Up here I have my text box. If you're familiar with PowerPoint, you type in whatever you want, whatever question I want, I can type in there.
Show us that. Show us typing a question.
Sure. So basically all I have to do is go into my PowerPoint install. Here's the Turning Point toolbar. You can see it by our little logo there. I can click on Insert Slide, and if I wanted to, I could use from one of our pre-designed templates and simply just drop in a question like this yes/no one. And it'll automatically throw it in there for me. And here's the question. And just like any other PowerPoint slide, I can go in here, and let's say I wanted to actually add the word maybe. I just type in, whoops, sorry, maybe. And now I am ready to poll this question.
And there you go.
And as soon as I launch it into slideshow mode, polling is open, responses can be submitted from the audience at hand via their response cards into the receiver. I can facilitate close polling at any time with the click of a mouse, and the results display.
So you're giving people who may not participate either in a classroom or in a large meeting sort of a voice with this.
Absolutely. Every person, whether there's 15 students in the room or 3,000 executives in the room, everybody who has a response device can contribute and guide the discussion.
Good things just got better. Introducing an all-new third hour of Good Morning America.
Welcome to Good Morning America Now.
Good Morning America Now. Good Morning America Now.
On ABC News Now.
Get your Good Morning America now at abcnewsnow.com.